Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another beautiful sunrise. I hope you have an amazing day. Trump just dropped quite hard. When Trump was announced what he thinks about Trumpcoin, he said he didn't know much about it, and it dropped very strongly. Almost activated my trade at 29, but didn't actually hit. Bitcoin pumping, Worldcoin pumping. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, World. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Big congratulations on the gains recently, everyone on Bitcoin especially. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals, and you can see my account 1182. I took out 100k to seed invest World Liberty Fight, which is the Eric Trump's. In my opinion, they're going to build a strategic reserve. My Trump, you can see, just came down to $35 and bounced back straight away to 48. A lot of buy orders that were sitting there executed, I think, automatically. Bitcoin 78,000 profit on my trade, bouncing back to 105. You can see my buys on Bitcoin, some beautiful buys. Managed to look at all my buys on Bitcoin. I managed to get some right at the, look, all my buys usually on the spikes down, which is the best way to trade. Funding fee 0.01%. Bitcoin trade $78,000 in the profits. 7 Bitcoin trade, which is the equivalent $661,000. Ethereum trade negative 1,100. My buys also on the spikes down on Ethereum, but not getting a meaningful bounce. Let's go into the technical analysis. Worldcoin up 12% yesterday, which is amazing because I've been buying Worldcoin on the dips. Doge down up 4%, also buying Doge on the dips. MCRT up 4%, also buying MCRT on the dips. Bitcoin up 3%, Ton 3%, also I bought it on the dip, which is great news. All the ones I was buying on the dips got a strong bounce. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. I own all these coins. Stochastic is heading up. Volume is strong on Bitcoin on the weekly charts, which is beautiful. Crypto Guru bot is still a blue buy, which it fired back in February 2023 at 20,000. Still a blue buy at 100,000. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell 5 weeks ago, did not yet fire a buy. Stochastic is heading up. Squeeze mob is trying to turn green. Let's go into the daily. Daily, we finished the 3rd to 4th corrective wave. Now we're in the 4th to 5th final impulse wave before ABC correction. Stochastic heading up. Very strong Bitcoin. Some of the highest yesterday was the highest volume one of the highest volumes on Bitcoin. 307,000 Bitcoin traded. Stochastic still heading up. Clear bull flag, in my opinion. This looks like a bull flag. If we measure out the distance of the pole, this distance here, target of this bull flag would be let's see what it gives us. Target of this bull flag would be $150,000, $148,000 for Bitcoin, which would be amazing. But it is the 4th, 5th wave, so that's usually smaller than the 2nd to 3rd impulse. So I do expect that around 117 or 129k would be resistance. Let's go into the 4-hourly. 4-hourly, I see big cup and handle forming on Bitcoin. Huge cup and handle formation. If everyone who's taken my courses knows what this is, this formation, cup and handle is a bullish pattern. Cup, handle, and you break out the base of the cup, this distance here. So very bullish pattern for Bitcoin if this plays out. The distance of this cup, let's measure it, would be base to base. The move would be target of 117,000 on this cup and handle, which would be very nice. Okay, let's go. So that's on the 4-hourly. W formation also showing, which would have around 100 more, a little bit higher than 117. It's 118k. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, we didn't have the trade activate yesterday. Oh no, that's the cup and handle formation. Let's keep that one. So we didn't have the trade activate. I would put an order same spot because it keeps ranging from 100k to 109k. And then target, I would take it all the way to the, I would say 130k. Risk to reward then would be on this trade, opening at 100k, stop loss at 98,400, risking 1,800 per Bitcoin to make 29,000, risking 1,800 to make 29,000. 10x leverage would be 290,000. That's the trade I would open on Bitcoin. Gray line, open 100k, red line, stop loss 98,400, green line, take profit. That's the trade I'd take on Bitcoin. And again, I'm already in this trade on Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade is already pumping, and I've already accumulated 7 Bitcoin on the dip, which is beautiful. Let's go into, I saw World, so World pumped. MCRT was up 4% yesterday. I bought a lot yesterday as well. World up 12%. Big congratulations, anyone who was buying World with me. Look at that. I bought those dips very beautifully. You can see my average entry on World. And I managed to pick up a lot of it at those, when it spiked down to $1.80. Even yesterday I bought it. Yesterday I bought World at $1.80, which is amazing. And I have quite a lot of it. I'm holding 96,000 World, which is up 12%. So I made on just World, on my spot positions, I made $49,000 yesterday, which is beautiful on just spot, not including my trades. Uniswap, about even. Solana up 1%. Doge had a huge pump, up 3%. Ton up 3%. Amazing on my spot buys. Big congratulations. Those spot buys were bought on the dip. I've got World buys at $1.60, Uni at 11. I bought more Uni yesterday. Trump at 29, Ethereum at 2,950, Doge 26, Uni 10, Bitcoin 70, 87. And a lot of the lower ones already activated. World up 13% since I bought it yesterday, which is huge because holding 100K, so it's like 13K profit, which is amazing. Let's go into Ethereum and then I'll try and do World as well. Big congratulations, everyone. Ethereum, 1 hourly, but Ethereum is the bigger patterns that I'm playing out. There's 2 huge patterns that I'm playing on Ethereum. First one being symmetrical triangle. Massive symmetrical triangle on the weekly that goes back to 2021. Builds pressure, builds pressure, builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle. So the target is 7,500 for this big pattern that's 4 years old. Then we go closer. You can see inverse head and shoulders forming on Ethereum. Shoulder, head, shoulder. If this breaks out, the target of this inverse head and shoulders, these are huge targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum that have formed now. If this head and shoulders plays out, the target for Ethereum would be 6,000. So we have huge targets starting to form for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Very good news coming out of America for cryptocurrency. And this is the other pattern on the 4 hourly that's playing out on Ethereum. Descending triangle, builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle. So this distance here is how much I expect Ethereum to break out. Target is 4,400. If you haven't taken a trade, I would try to take it onto support 3,150. Stop loss I'd make the stop loss below 2,900 and take profit at the target 7,400, and 4,400 is another target. Risk towards 16 times, risking 256 per Ethereum to make 4,300. 10x leverage would be $43,000. So 2 big patterns playing out on Ethereum and on Bitcoin, which is amazing. Let's go into World now, up 13%. Big congratulations who bought World with me. Straight away, I see a big pattern forming here. You can see why I bought it, because it pulled back to the supports that it erased the bull market. If you followed my buys and sells on World, by the way, they were incredible because I sold the top. It's not showing my sell anymore, but I sold actually up here on World, and then I bought down here. I wonder why it doesn't show. So those trades are amazing. I bought that dip, and then we're getting a strong bounce. And why? Because Sam Altman just announced with SoftBank that they're going to put a $500 million strategic reserve into the USA to build the data centers in Texas that will allow super AI. The $500 billion. So this is, Sam Altman is also the founder of World, and this World got a little bit of a pump, but this is a huge pattern that's playing out on World, everyone. Massive descending triangle on World. If they announce something, this is builds pressure, and breaks out. Massive target will be on World. Target would be this descending triangle. This need to pull it down to supports. If this plays out, we're going to have potential breakout for World, which will be massive. Decent, but target would be $13 for World, everyone. If that plays out, holy, my 100K will be 7x, 700K. Target $13 for World. I'm going to set alert on the all-time high, which was also 1190, because you'll have resistance there if it gets to that height. Setting an alert, which is beautiful. Big congratulations, everyone. Up a lot this week. If you've been following from this week, I was from 7984 to 1182, so I made $220,000 this week, and I already took out 100,000 to seed invest World Liberty Fi. So it's up 300,000 this week, which is amazing. Ethereum, Bitcoin trade pumping, Ethereum trade pumping, World pumping. Join us in the Telegram. There's 347 of you online. 36, why didn't you jump in if you're watching? I would be careful because Trump just said that he's not so... see, World Liberty Fi buying Tron. You can see everyone discussing in here. This is not a meme coin anymore. It's already tied to a person and family. People discussing. Doge, Department of Government Efficiency. The US government put the Doge logo. Department of Government Efficiency. And you can see what's happening. World up 24%. This guy on his trade, which is beautiful. Trump whale buys 37 at 37. Donald Trump says that he doesn't know much about Trump coin, and that's when it dropped, when he said that. You can see it on X, and I've got 99,700 followers, 300 followers away from 100,000. Yesterday's video, 17,000 people watched my video from last night, which is amazing, where I'm saying that alert on World, Bitcoin, Trump, and World Pump. New Bitcoin all-time high to 109K, and it's been dropping since Trump's inauguration. Volume is strong. Volume predicts price. Doge was leading the market yesterday. Massive pump on Doge, but then World took... MicroStrategies bought another 1.1 billion Bitcoin, 11,000 Bitcoin yesterday. Average price of 101,000. Trump and Elon announced something for Tesla. They didn't. I'm a few hundred, 300 followers away from... guys, this is incredible. It's like the Doge degen took over the US government. Finally, all the dinosaurs have moved on. Thank God, everyone. Hopefully, they will bring peace and happiness to the world. Down below in the description, you'll see all the links to the exchanges. Sign up to Bybit, 60K bonus. Weex gives a $200 bonus on sign up for USA, UK, Australia. Bitunix, KYC free worldwide exchange. You can sign up and start trading anywhere in the world. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram to join us in there. Big congratulations to all of you for World, Bitcoin, Uniswap, Ethereum, Trump. We were buying it at $9 and then sold it at $4 and $9 and sold it at $55, and now I've got buy orders at $29. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and World look like they're ready for huge breakout patterns. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.